How is my pension funded? Pensions are a shared responsibility between employers and employees to prepay for benefits during your career. The benefits are funded through regular paycheck deductions that are invested and grow interest. How does it work? Think of a sink representing all benefits for employees and retirees. The water in the sink represents assets in the fund. The goal is to keep the sink full so there are enough assets to pay for benefits. This requires constant adjustment to the water volume. When we pay benefits every month, the water level goes down. Water flows in through paycheck deductions, employer contributions, and investment income. How much do I contribute, and am I getting a good deal? New contribution rates are adopted by the Board of Retirement every fiscal year based on assumptions of how much water is needed to fill the sink. If the investment outlook is weak, or if retirees live longer, liabilities grow, and SCERS adjusts contributions to refill the sink. This keeps benefits well-funded and safe for when you need them most in retirement. Investment earnings cover 61% of the benefits, while employers make up 29% and employee contributions provide 10%. In other words, SCERS members only pay a dime for every dollar of pension benefits they receive. And that's a great deal. Questions? Visit SCERS. We're here to help.